Hi guys, welcome back to Sporaria channel. So today in this video I'll show you how to clear all website data from Safari on iPhone. But before you continue this video, as always, I hope you like, comment and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. Well, firstly, launch the settings app from the home screen of your iPhone. Here. Now just scroll it down to find out the Safari, or you can also search it at the search bar at the top here. I'm gonna search Safari. Now just go ahead. Next, scroll it down to the bottom and tap on Advanced here. I'm gonna open it. Now tap on Website Data option. This is where you'll see all the sites storing data via Safari. Scroll to the bottom and tap on Remove All Website Data. And yeah, you'll be asked to confirm you'd like to delete all data with a detailed explanation of what it does. Just tap Remove Now to confirm. So yeah, that's all. All the website data currently stored on your iPhone is now gone. So yeah guys, I think it's enough. Just it. Thanks for watching this video guys. I hope this video will help you. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon on the next one and good luck.